Welcome to this video on glitches. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what glitches are, how they happen, and what you can do about them. Whether you use computers, smartphones, or gaming consoles, you've likely experienced a glitch. Let's explore this common tech problem together. A glitch is an unexpected, temporary fault or malfunction in a computer system, software, or electronic device that disrupts normal operation. Think of it as a brief hiccup in your technology. Unlike permanent problems, glitches are usually short-lived and resolve quickly, either on their own or with a simple restart. Glitches have 4 important characteristics. First, they are temporary. The disruption is brief and doesn't last long. Second, they are unexpected. They occur without warning and catch us off guard. Third, they are recoverable. Your system can bounce back without permanent damage. Fourth, they are unpredictable. You cannot reliably reproduce a glitch or know exactly when it will happen next. Here are some examples of glitches you might recognize. A frozen screen happens when an application becomes unresponsive temporarily, then recovers normal function. Network timeouts occur when internet connection briefly drops, affecting file transfers or streaming. And game lag spikes cause sudden frame rate drops that create temporary gameplay disruption. These are all common glitches that most users experience. Glitches can happen for several reasons. Software bugs occur when errors exist in program code that cause unexpected behavior. Hardware failure happens when physical components like RAM, hard drives, or power supplies start failing. Overheating causes excessive heat from dust buildup or intensive tasks, which can trigger glitches. Finally, outdated drivers prevent proper communication between hardware and software. Any of these factors can lead to a glitch. You can reduce glitches with simple prevention strategies. Keep your software, drivers, and operating system current by installing regular updates. Perform system maintenance by cleaning your hardware and ensuring proper ventilation. Use system monitoring tools to detect issues early. Create frequent backups for quick recovery if problems occur. And run antivirus checks and avoid suspicious downloads to prevent security issues. These steps help keep your system running smoothly. If you experience a glitch, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, restart your system or restart the affected application. Second, install latest software updates and driver patches. Third, run antivirus and malware scans to detect infections. Fourth, free up disk space and close unnecessary programs. Finally, check resource usage and system temperature to ensure everything is operating normally. Often, the first step, a simple restart, resolves most glitches. It's important to understand the difference between a glitch and a bug. A bug is a programming error in code, introduced during development, that is repeatable and consistent. Bugs remain permanent until they are fixed by developers. A glitch, however, is a temporary system malfunction from runtime or environmental factors. Glitches are unpredictable and non-repeatable, resolving on their own or with a restart. Understanding this difference helps you communicate tech problems more clearly to technical support.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.